I'm very delighted to unveil our first assembly of CMM in India with the collaboration from our principal Aberlink UK.
So here is the result of our collaboration. Our first ever Make in India machine, made to the exact same standards we would make one in the UK.
Aberlink is a company that make amongst the simplest designed and built CMMs, yet robust enough to last for 25 to 30 years. They are deep technology partners with Renishaw, with whom they have an extremely close relationship, who are also the world market leaders in probing technology. They have arguably the world's simplest software that's trusted and used by several other CMM manufacturers apart from Aberlink themselves.
It's a really proud moment when a reputed brand like Aberlink shows faith in a local player in India, and I'm so glad to see Trimaster and Aberlink together have come up new brand, a new CMM, which they're going to assemble here and cater to the market to satisfy the growing demand for quality in the country.
So what started as a humble journey of 4 of them has come this long. It's a great milestone and the first stepping stone for us. Many more to come. Wishing everyone at Trimaster a grand success.